We're back for the third section of our journey on the Mawson Trail from Adelaide. This time we are following the start of the Flinders Ranges all the way to Walker. We face some unusually hot weather this late in the season and long remote stretches of gravel road as we head deeper into the outback. But it's all a small price to pay for the beautiful landscapes and warm, friendly towns. Another early start, but we have a big day ahead, so we're gonna get cracking and hopefully it goes pretty well, but gotta get those miles in while it's still cool. Our first challenge of the day was the Ragless Range through the Yarrah Vale Gorge. It was tough going, but we were rewarded with some stunning views over the valley. Oh, it's stunning.
Unreal. Wild goats,
Yeah.
kangaroos, sheep. Man, this is the view.
So good.
Definitely got to get shots of this.
Warren Gorge had some amazing wildlife with kangaroos and emus all around us. It was definitely a highlight of the day.
All right, just an early morning stop as Piet reapplies some oil to our chains. It's been a brilliant morning.
The theme for the next stretch was keep those wheels rolling, with long stretches of gravel road stretching all the way to the horizon. We pushed on, knowing that the next stop in Craddock will be a good food stop. Phew, there's the mountains. Look at that beautiful mountains. You can still see the moon. Walker 41. How are you feeling, Mike? Oh no. Yeah, this is the bit where we just need to be tough. It's all in the head. Bit of downhill. Rest the legs. We've got about 2 kilometers to go to Craddock. Nice, Mike. The big sky and wide open spaces was just amazing. I loved riding through it, even though it was tough at some points. Okay, last session, 25 k's, nice and warm. Hey.
Going well?
Yeah.
You too?
A ridge of white puffy clouds led us all the way into Hawker and one of my favorite restaurants for sundowners, Flinders Food Co. This trip again rewarded with some stunning landscape views, and our early morning sunrise starts a favorite for us both. In our next trip, we explore the iconic Flinders Ranges. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Alright, we need to get a shot. Where are you? Alright, that's 100 k's in a day, 110 k's, and how much in total?
250 plus this time.
250 kilometers. Cheers.